Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 0.9% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The oil dropped 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
India's oil imports from Russia rose to a record of about 2.1 million barrels a day in May, as discounts for Russian oil widened on lower demand from China. That boosted Russia's share in the world's third largest importer and consumer to nearly 41% last month. Gold prices dropped more than 1% on Friday, weighed down by a stronger dollar and higher bond yields after data showed strong US business activity, while auto catalyst metal palladium jumped to a one-month high. A gauge of global stocks declined for a second straight session on Friday, weighed down by weakness in technology shares, while the dollar hit its highest level since early May, as a gauge of US business activity edged up to a more than two-year high.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 14:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT. Germany's IFO Business Climate will be released at 8 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.